Hi, Mr. Ahmed. This is my project for chemical reaction. Chemical reactions. What is a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, which are the reactants, are converted to one or more different substances, which are the products. Substances are either chemical elements or compounds. A chemical reaction rearranges the constant atoms of the reactants to create different substances as products. Evidence of chemical reaction. There are many evidences for formation of chemical reaction. Gas bubble appears, formation of a precipitate, color change, temperature change, production of light, volume change, and change in smell or taste. Types of chemical reaction. The five basic types of chemical reaction are combination, which is also called synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion. Combination. A combination reaction, also known as synthesis reaction, is a reaction where two or more elements or compounds, which are reactants, combine to form a single compound. Combination combination reactions. For example, barium metal and fluorine gas will combine in a highly exothermic reaction to form the salt barium fluoride. Another example is given by magnesium oxide combining with carbon dioxide. Often, reaction can fall in more than one category. Decomposition. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. The general form of a decomposition reaction is AB to A plus B. Most decomposition reactions require an input of energy in the form of heat, light, or electricity. And this is a picture showing the simplest form of decomposition reaction. Here, the reactant is A, B, and then after the chemical reaction, it turns into A plus B, which are the product. Single replacement. A single replacement reaction occurs when one element replaces another element in one compound. This type of reaction is represented by A plus BC to P plus AC. A double replacement occurs when two ionic compounds exchange ions, producing two ionic compounds. This is a picture of single replacement showing the simplest form of the displacement reaction. Double replacement reaction has two ionic compounds that are exchanging ion or cation. Precipitation reaction produce an insoluble product from two aqueous reactant, and you can identify a precipitation reaction using solubility rules. Here an example of double replacement. Here we have AB plus CD. It tends to be AD plus CB. The last type of chemical reaction is combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen and gives off the heat. The original substance is called the fuel, and the source of oxygen is called the oxidizer. The fuel can be a solid, liquid, or gas, although for airplane propulsion, the fuel is usually a liquid. Thank you, Mr. Ahmed, for listening.